2010 through 2013 Mazda Speed 3 and Mazda 3 cabin air filter replacement. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of changing out the cabin air filter. So if you need filters, I will leave links for them down in the description of the video. The things we're going to need to do this job is a good quality flashlight, a Phillips screwdriver, and some replacement filters. So underneath the footwell here, we're going to pull this panel down right here. So right here in the corner, there's a tab here. You squeeze and pull down, and on this side, tab and pull down. So you squeeze these tabs right there, and you pull down. And then once you pull it down, you pull it towards the seat. Now on the left kick panel here, you're going to pull here, and then you're going to slide this way. Now in the far left corner here, is the location where the cabin filters are. We're going to unplug the evap temp sensor here. So you're going to push the little tab and unplug it. Now, don't remove this one or this one. Leave those on. Remove the screw here and here. So we're going to remove these two screws. Now, at the top of this right here is a little tab you're going to pull down, and you're going to pull the door off. So there's a little tab right there, catch tab right there. Now you can slide the filters out. You want to pay attention of how they went in. You get the first filter slid out. On top of it, you're going to slide the next filter downwards and then pull it out. And you're going to want to keep track of which one went on top and which one went on bottom. They are different. So if you use the old filters as a reference, it'll help you out. So now you're going to find the filter that went on top. It had the foam pad on it, and it had the little slot like this on the bottom. And we're going to put it back in the same way that we took the old one out. So you're going to slide this in. And then once you slide it in, you're going to push the filter up to the top. And then you're going to take the second one and you're going to slide it in. And you're just going to match it up with the same way you took the old one out. So it has a thin lip and a thick lip on it. The thicker lip went on the bottom. So you'll slide it in like this. Now you can put the cover or the cap back on with the temp sensor. Clip it in and then put the two screws in. So you'll line it up with the tabs, push the clip in at the top here, make sure it clips, and then put the two screws in. And then once we get the two screws secured, then we'll plug in the temp sensor. Now you can go ahead and plug in temp sensor. Now you can reinstall the side panel. This little ear here has to hook right there. So you'll hook it in there like that. And you'll line it up right here and just push, push. Now we're going to reinstall the bottom tray. So this little hole here at the back mounts on that stud on that bolt right there. So you'll line it up on that bolt like that, and then you'll rotate it upwards, and you'll push and push in the corners. So I will link up the filters in the description of the video. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.